All right, and the finished product. Curb rash wheels. I think it came out pretty damn nice. It's definitely brighter in person than it is on the camera. I can tell you that just looking at the two. Yeah, no more curb rash. Nice full coverage. Nice and clean. I think they came out really good. Did inside the barrels too, inside there. So I'll post pictures of those. That's a drastic difference before and after. Notorious BMW brake dust. But yeah, that's it. It's almost midnight. It's a long damn day today. But got some stuff done, and I'm happy to be busy rather than waiting on something to come in. So if you guys need wheels, whether it's silver, black, gold, I've done purple wheels, I've done blue and white wheels, I've done all kinds of stuff. So if you need something like this where it's like a factory color or you want to go custom color, just give me a shout. Right now I'm doing them for $400 for a set of 4. So it's $100 a wheel. It's a good price. But yeah, that's it. Peace out. Catch you on the next one.